Certainly one of the more unique cars entered at Vic Time Attack was Marco Farina's Alfa Romeo. The Alfa comes after a series of cool street cars, including a turbocharged 12A rotary Mazda RX-3 and a rare Volvo 850 T5R 5-speed. Marco has owned the Alfa since 2005 and it's still powered by the factory 3.2 litre stock internal V6 engine. External upgrades consist of intake, exhaust and fuel modifications to make 217 wheel horsepower. After breaking a bunch of factory gearboxes, a Holinger 6-speed sequential transaxle is the real bit of trick gear in this car. The clutch system has been switched from a pull to push arrangement using an AP racing unit with an internal slave. Certainly not a straight bolt-in, the gear changes are now super efficient. Marco comments the car has picked up 2 seconds on most tracks, with the Alfa competing in all rounds of the 2016 CAMS New South Wales Supersprint Championship, where it finished first in its class. While it might be a challenge competing with lighter weight Honda Civics, the Alfa really does sound fantastic at full noise.